Hey guys, this is the leather iPhone 6 case for my wife's mobile. She's used it for about 2 years, so you can see it's quite well used. You can hardly see the Apple emblem there. She's, I dare say, a little clumsy at times, so she has dropped this several times. Yeah, and as you can see, maybe on the very bottom, it's just one chunk has just come out entirely. My wife this was brown. This was very light brown when we first got it, so I'm starting to think that maybe black is a better option because it's pretty dark, isn't it? Considering it was light brown to begin with. Yeah, that's kind of the color it was to begin with. It's just, yeah, incredibly different now, isn't it? So I recorded this with my Canon G7X, and the next clip is recorded using 4K mode of my iPhone 7. So I wonder if what do you think of the picture, guys? See that chunk missing at the bottom? So with this, I'm only recording 30 frames per second. I'm not sure how it's going to export because previously the Canon was recording at 50 frames per second. But the color is a little bit different. It's a little bit more, maybe realistic, I dare say. Sometimes I have issues sort of focusing with macro on my G7X. By the way, when I recorded with the G7X, I just had it sat on the table. I'm actually holding the iPhone 7 as steady as possible while moving my wife's leather case around. So I'm just curious, is there like alternatives to this iPhone 6 or even 7 leather case? I think nothing quite beats it, does it? I guess 2 years use isn't that bad. Oh, this is when I hit 2x. It's quite good, isn't it? I'm impressed, at least. So it's good for zooming. Thanks for watching.